Welcome to qnawire.
I want us to talk about the vertex, the zeros, and the y-intercept. Before I do that, I'm going to rewrite this and say y equals 1/2 x squared plus x minus 8. Taking the y to the other side and the 8 to this side. Now let's know the vertex. Is it going to be a max or a min? Well, because this is a quadratic, leading coefficient is positive, it's going to open up. Therefore, we're looking at a min. What is that vertex going to be? Well, let's use our vertex formula, negative b over 2a, where b is going to be the coefficient here on x, so it's going to be 1. My a is going to be the coefficient on my squared term, that's going to be 1/2. So I'm going to say negative, that's going to be 2, so that's going to be negative 1 over 1, which is simply negative 1. Now for the y portion, we'll simply plug negative 1 in place of x. So 1/2, negative 1 squared, plus negative 1 minus 8. Well, that's negative 9. Half of negative 1 is going to be that's going to be positive 1/2. So we're looking at negative 8.5 as being my vertex. Now I'm going to skip down and do the y-intercept. When I look at my in this form, then my y-intercept is simply going to be the last coefficient. That's why you want to put that in there, or the last constant. So my y-intercept is going to be 0, negative 8. Now we need to find our zeros, which means we need to solve this for 0. 1/2 x squared plus x minus 8 equals to 0. I'm getting rid of the fraction, so it's going to be x squared plus 2x minus 16 equals to 0. Now, are there factors of 16 that give me 2? The answer is going to be no. I find this one's going to be easier to complete the square, so I'm going to do that. That's going to be equal to 16. I'm going to come over here and add 1 to both sides. So this will end up factoring into x plus 1 squared equals 17. Now I can square root both sides. That's going to give me x plus 1. It's going to be plus or minus the square root of 17. So my zeros are going to be negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 17.